Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Mundhra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle and a lot of other things. So please hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are very close to 2000 subscribers, so please join the family and share the videos with a lot of friends, family, etc. And help me reach 2000 super soon, please. Okay, so for today I got a few queries on Instagram for hair care routine during winters. I don't know if I've made a video in the past about this, but I thought I'll quickly share a little new updated hair care routine. I'm looking like this because I have severe oil in my hair and it has been there for about last 1 week. धीरे धीरे करके ऑयलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा हुई है ताकि आज हम शैम्पू कर सकें and our hair looks healthy. Why? I'll tell you. This weather में there are two things that are happening. So the winter weather is making your scalp really dry, which can lead to dandruff, itchiness, etc. And if you shampoo a lot, because there are rains happening at least in some parts of India, your hair fall also increases, और winters में भी generally hair fall थोड़ा सा increase हो जाता है. So to avoid that, I have been shampooing a lot less. Usually I used to do 3 times a week, but now I've reached to at least 1, और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हुई तो 2. बाकी dry shampoo use करते हैं हम. Which dry shampoo I will let you know in the end, but right now we have oiled our hair and then I'll talk to you about products and then we'll go about it. Okay, for the oil that I'm using this. This is the Joy of Ayurveda's onion oil. It has 10 powerful ingredients. It helps in hair growth, repair damaged hair fall, anti-dandruff, release tests. None of this is promotion. This is what I'm reading off the hook. If you see, it's almost used till here, and I'll tell you what my reviews on this are. One, this is an onion oil, तो ऐसा लगता है कि it will smell and everything, but it does not smell. It smells decent. It can stay in your hair. As I said, it stayed in my hair for about a week, और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा smell होती तो obviously it wouldn't have stayed. I would have shampooed it. Second, it's affordable. It's about $7.99 for 210 ml, so that's good, and a small quantity of this takes you a long way, so it's good. Also, onion is super nice for your scalp, especially for your itchy dandruff wala scalp. Onion helps to get rid of it, so that's good. So I have oiled my hair and now I will go in, wash my hair, come back and then talk to you. Okay, I am back. I have washed my hair. It's about semi-dry, like it's a style dry now. I will go to how I dry my hair and everything in a minute, but let me talk to you about the products that I used before that. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk, because I told you right that winters bring itchy scalp or dryness wala scalp. So the shampoo that I use is this. This is the Kiralo AD anti-dandruff shampoo. I use it like once in every 2-3 weeks, and it helps me get rid of the dandruff or any itchiness. In case you have much more dandruff, you might want to go to a doctor and then discuss. I have very little like just winter wala dandruff, तो इसलिए ये वाला shampoo मेरे लिए काम कर जाता है. So I use it like twice a month probably. So yeah, this is the shampoo. I'll be linking all of the products down below, so make sure you check them out. The shampoo and conditioner that I have been using right now, it's all wet, is this. This is from yeah, what's the name? So this is the Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and this has coconut oil, avocado butter, cocoa, etc. It smells very chocolatey. I did not get it for that reason, but it helps you keep your hair straight. काफ़ी ऐसा दिखा जाता है, but मुझे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा difference दिख नहीं रहा है. The only difference that I can see in my hair is that my hair feels a little smoother and it is little frizz free. So that's the difference that I can see in my hair. Baki, there's also a drawback that I'm seeing. I don't know if it's because of the shampoo, it's because I'm not eating well or whatever. मेरे को थोड़ा सा dry ends लग रहा है, like these ends I feel that really dry. So the shampoo that also worked for me, I wanted to try the strain, so I've tried it. I like it, but it's not the favorite shampoo and conditioner that I can get. At least ये खत्म होने वाला है and then I can like really say it. But जो shampoo and conditioner I really love is the City Expert range. उसमें जो वो because I have colored hair, right, तो उसमें जो vitamin O वाला pink orange type का जो vitamin O आता है, I'll have a picture right here. That works perfectly well. That leaves your hair so smooth, so luscious hair बोलते हैं ना जिसको, that does that. Now this is like pre-shampoo. I also mask my hair like once a month. I obviously did not mask it today, but I also mask my hair, and for that I use Mamaearth's Argan hair mask. I've been using it since forever, and I love how it works on my hair. It leaves my hair really smooth and soft, so I really love it. I will link that also in the description below, and I'll insert a picture right here. Now moving on to the serum that I use. This is the serum that I use. This is the L'Oreal's Extenso Care Serum. This is for anti-frizz, anti-breakage, anti-dryness. So before I style my hair, and I'll tell you why I style my hair also. Like, okay, I don't style my hair, but I make them manageable. So before that, I use this hair serum on all of my hair, and I'll show you how. So I just take 2 pumps, rub it in my palm, put it like inside my fingers, and just run my fingers like so. Right, that's how I put serum on my hair. It helps you remove the tangles that you have, which already should have been removed with the towel and with the conditioner and everything, but yeah, in case there is anything left, it helps you remove that. Yep, that is all. And now let's move to the styling part, and I'll tell you why I style my hair. Like, not style my hair, but why I dry my hair, because ठंडी का season है. If you don't dry your hair, आपको सर्दी लग सकती है. So that is why I dry my hair, and let me just quickly show you how I do it. Okay, so I have my Dyson right here, and I just dry my hair through this. So what I'm gonna do is quickly take some small section and just divide my hair into rough sections and dry my hair. So usually लोग कैसे करते हैं, they dry their hair like this, right? But this is not the correct way to do it. The correct way to do is this. Okay, so that is how I dry my hair. It's still not like properly dried, but it's good to go, and I think it's manageable. So that was it for the video. If you like what you see, please hit that like subscribe button and share करो video जिनको तुम्हें बताना है कि Dyson को use करने का तरीका क्या है, and who need these hair care tips. I'll see you in the next one. All links are in the description below, so if you want, please go ahead and buy from them. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.